Hey y'all, well, I wanted to pop on here really quick and go over something with you guys to see if you would be interested in it. So, as you guys know, me and my hubby Hardy, we have been doing short-term rentals since 2018. We had long-term rentals before them. But with that, I know a lot of people are kind of interested in learning more about short-term rentals. We are getting ready to sell 2 of our short-term rentals and purchase a short-term rental over at the beach near where we live at. So I want to see with you guys if you guys would be interested in seeing what that process looks like and like coming along with us as we look at different houses. Would that be interesting to you, or should I just stick to the gardening? So I kind of want to bring you guys what you would enjoy, but I thought this may be interesting for some of you as well. So let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in this, and I would love to show you the houses that we're looking at, some of the things that we kind of think about when we're looking for short-term rentals, and just kind of that whole process. So let me know if you'd be interested, or if you wouldn't be interested. I want to hear all of those comments down below. But I hope you guys are having a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye, friends.